These are well made, perfect quality. Bought a water pump and it had a female hose end. My sprayer too had a female end, so I needed a double-ended male connector. Perfect fit. And I got a twin pack for a low price. Works perfectly to connect the two hoses that came with my washer into one longer hose. I was looking at all the local stores for this size of fitting, but no one had any. I was happy to find it on Amazon. It's good quality and fits perfectly. This appears to be made of very high quality materials and craftsmanship. I am using these fittings in conjunction with a whole house filter system. They will do the job perfectly. I would recommend your product to anyone who needs this type of fitting. Thank you. Worked like a charm for connecting an outdoor nozzle to a female hose. Really like that you included Teflon tape to complete the job. Great price for 2 connectors and the tape. Super easy to install. I needed these because the hoses on my washer were too short and almost impossible to get to the back of the unit, so I got a new set of hoses to accommodate the space. I usually find these for the same cost but only for 1 piece. This comes with 2 and a bonus tape for sealing the connections. I'll definitely buy these again when I need more. I used it to join together washing machine hoses to make a very long one because my washing machine is far away from the faucets. It worked very well. Hand tight plus 1/2 turn each fitting and no leaks. Quick delivery and works great. Click link in description for more reviews.